cineinc.com। आदाब, मेरा नाम परवेज़ आलम है और आज यहाँ लंदन में सिने इंक की बज़ में शामिल होने वाले हैं सुदीप सेन, जो अंग्रेज़ी के बहुत मशहूर शायर हैं। लेकिन आज इस हवाले से कि उन्होंने कैफ़ी आज़मी की बहुत ही मशहूर गज़लों और नज़मों का अंग्रेज़ी में तर्जुमा किया है। बहुत जल्दी मैं आपके सामने एक दो चीज़ें जो वो पेश करने वाले हैं उनको उर्दू में आपको सुनाता हूँ और उसके बाद में सुदीप सेन। बोसा। जब भी चूम लेता हूँ उन हसीन आँखों को, 100 चिराग अंधेरे में जगमगाने लगते हैं। फूल क्या, शगुफ़े क्या, चाँद क्या, सितारे क्या, सब रकीब कदमों पर सर झुकाने लगते हैं। रक़्स करने लगती हैं मूरतें अजंता की, मुद्दतों के लब बस्ता गार गाने लगते हैं। फूल खिलने लगते हैं उजड़े उजड़े गुलशन में, प्यासी प्यासी धरती पर अब्र छाने लगते हैं। लम्हे भर को ये दुनिया जुल्म छोड़ देती है, लम्हे भर को ये दुनिया जुल्म छोड़ देती है, लम्हे भर को सब पत्थर मुस्कुराने लगते हैं।
My mother, who was a very, very feisty woman, product of early days of LSR, Lady Shri Ram College in Delhi, psychology and philosophy, knew Punjabi very well, Chust Punjabi, she knew Urdu. So she, when I was in class 10, recited this poem, Aurat, to a group of very erudite, hard-drinking Bengali men who were few drinks down. And my mother just stood up and said, "You men, have you even heard this poem called Aurat?" And she recited that poem. I was in class 10 and I was completely floored. And that was the real link. The other interesting thing is I've never met Kaifi Saab, but I've lived his poetry because I've translated his work purely privately and published his stuff. And this is really, in a strange way, a kind of an oblique honor to a great man. As an English language poet, I really try to be very, very careful to the meter, the rhyme, the weight of the word, the color of the mood, the line lengths, and try to translate as faithfully as I can. There are 5 translators in this book. I've co-translated this, and there's Shumantru Ghoshal, who's made the film, which you'll see on the 7th. And the translations in this book are all in the documentary film. Then there's Baidar Bhakt, who's a Urdu translator who lives in Canada. There's Mir Ali Hussain, who is a professor of Urdu and comparative literature at New York University. And Pritish Nandi, who you may know of, who in 1995 published the first chapbook of Kaifi Saab's poems, about 10 or 12 poems. So that has been resurrected because that's way, way out of print now. In a sense, a big, big labor of love. And I've translated the whole stack of them and written the introduction and basically seeking his blessings. Ek bosa, one kiss. The moment I kiss these beautiful eyes, 100 lamps in the darkness glow, glitter. What flowers, what buds, what moon, what stars. All my rivals bow at your feet, head lowered. They begin their dance, the idols of Ajanta, as their long, close-lipped caves start to sing. Flowers bloom in unkempt, wilted gardens on thirst-wrenched earth. Clouds collect, hover. Momentarily, the world relinquishes cruelty. Momentarily, all stones start to smile.
प्यार का जश्न, प्यार का जश्न नई तरह मनाना होगा। प्यार का जश्न नई तरह मनाना होगा। गम किसी दिल में सही गम को मिटाना होगा। कांपते होठों पे पैमाने वफा क्या कहना, तुझको लाई है कहाँ लफ्ज़ पाक क्या कहना। मेरे घर में तेरे मुखड़े की ज़िया क्या कहना। आज हर घर का दिया मुझको जलाना होगा। प्यार का जश्न नई तरह मनाना होगा। रूह चेहरों पे धुआं देख के शर्माती है। झेंपी झेंपी सी मेरे लब पे हंसी आती है। तेरे मिलने की खुशी दर्द बनी जाती है। हमको हंसना है तो औरों को हंसाना होगा। सोई सोई हुई आंखों में छलकते हुए जाम, खोई खोई हुई नज़रों में मोहब्बत का पयाम। लबे शीरीं पे मेरी तिश्ना लबी का इनाम, जाने इनाम मिलेगा कि चुराना होगा। मेरी गर्दन में तेरी संदली बाहों का ये हार, अभी आंसू थे इन आँखों में, अभी इतना खुमार। मैं न कहता था कि मेरे घर में भी आएगी बहार। मैं न कहता था कि मेरे घर में भी आएगी बहार। शर्त इतनी थी कि पहले तुझे आना होगा। प्यार का जश्न नई तरह मनाना होगा।
Celebration of love, प्यार का जश्न. Celebration of love, we must rejoice in a new way. Sadness in my heart, this sadness mustn't stay. On trembling lips, a promise of fidelity. Bravo, I say. Your unsure feet, see where they've carried you. Bravo, I say. In my home, your face all lit up. Bravo, I say. In my home, I must light a lamp today. The soul shies away, seeing smoke masking every face. Bashfully abash, on my lips a laugh appears. Ecstasy of our meeting transforms into a torment. If we were to laugh, we must help others to laugh. In your sleep asleep eyes, chalice spills over. Your long distracted glances contain missives of love. Thirst on my lips, your lips, my reward. Will I be rewarded? Or will I have to steal it away? Around my neck, your arms, a sandalwood garland. A while back, these eyes, tearful, now intoxicated. Did I not say spring will enter my house too? Only condition, the first to enter will be you. And इसका जो refrain है ना, जो, and I was struggling with wonderful ये वो, and I saw various translations and they were all really bizarre because जो उर्दू में है ना, क्या कहना is the phrase. Ta 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 क्या कहना, ta 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 क्या कहना, ta 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 क्या कहना. So it's क्या कहना. So क्या कहना to me is in some ways quite colloquial, and it anchors the phrase in an everyday sense. It's, even though the poetry, the register of the poetry is written in a very high Urdu and also caters to various kinds of levels of Urdu, but kya kehna is that wah 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 thing. So I read two other translations and said it's wonderful and this and that. I said, uska maza hi nahi hai. It should be like Spanish Rioja wine. You're sitting around the table quite like this and everybody's kind of half tipsy. And you have to say, bravo, I say. Bravo, I say. So, And I was struggling with it because I have two Pakistani friends, I mean Urdu scholars, and one Indian friend who's a common friend who looked at these translations very, very carefully, and they are severe critics. And they say, यार मज़ा आ गया, ये तो असली वो जो मदिरा पीने वाली बात है ना उसमें है इधर, वो वंडरफुल में नहीं आता है वो. So that's all these decisions you have to take, and also because you have to take a decision because it's going out to the public. So people have all these moral sort of things to judge you with and so on. But I said, it was a celebration of love. And love when everything was understated, coy, elegant, unsaid. It was all in gestures and rituals.
एक लम्हा. जिंदगी नाम है कुछ लम्हों का. जिंदगी नाम है कुछ लम्हों का, और उनमें भी वही एक लम्हा जिसमें दो बोलती आँखें चाय की प्याली से जब उठीं तो दिल में डूबीं. डूब के दिल में कहीं, आज तुम कुछ ना कहो, आज मैं कुछ ना कहूँ, बस यूं ही बैठे रहो, हाथ में हाथ लिए, गम की सौगात लिए, गर्मिये जज्बात लिए. कौन जाने कि उसी लम्हे में दूर पर्वत पे कहीं बर्फ पिघलने ही लगे. जिंदगी नाम है कुछ लम्हों का.
एक लम्हा, one moment. What we call life is just a few moments. And within that one moment, when a pair of expressive eyes look up from a teacup and drown in the heart, drowning said, today you should keep your silence. Today I will keep mine. Let us just sit hand in hand with our mutual gift of grief, with our shared heat of emotion. Who knows, in this moment, on some distant mountain, the snow might start to melt.
cineinc.com